In 2013, we wrote a grant to involve Grandfather Mountain staff members in our work in the Andes of Peru and Bolivia. And through that, Jesse Pope, who at the time was their Director of Environmental Education, joined our study abroad program for a 2-week trip to Peru to study and learn about climate change in the Andes, glacier-climate interactions, and impacts on water resources.
For me, that was really an incredible experience. Being able to go to some of the highest mountains in the world and to see what's really happening on the ground. To literally see glaciers melting and retreating, to see how that's impacting water resources for people around the globe.
And one of the main things we did was take hourly observations during precipitation events. So we were measuring how much it snowed every hour.
All right, so after launching weather balloons in La Paz, we traveled up in altitude to 17,200 feet to Chacotaya Mountain, where during precipitation events, we analyzed the crystalline structure of snowflakes there. And this allowed us to get a better idea of the cloud microphysical processes and what's going on to create these snowflakes during precipitation events.
And so for the first week, we remained in Peru and we went to the Calcaya ice cap. And on the Calcaya ice cap, we helped dig snow pits for isotope and chemistry analysis.
So if we can relate meteorology over the Andes to what's recorded in the snowpack, hopefully that'll help improve our interpretation of even deeper ice cores, which can tell us some really useful high-resolution information about the past climate in the Andes, which will hopefully help us understand how it's changed in the past and maybe how it might change in the future.
It was really powerful. And to bring that back to Grandfather Mountain and to share that with our visitors and our staff to better understand that some of these global issues has been incredibly valuable.